Welcome to Terminology Tutor. In this video, you'll learn the English names of 30 common spices. Let's begin. Cinnamon sticks. Mace. Saffron. Cumin seeds. Mustard seeds. Black pepper. Bay leaf. Ginger. Fenugreek seeds. Nutmeg. Coriander seed. Pine nuts. Turmeric powder. Black cardamom. Carom seeds. Caroli. Red chili powder. Green cardamom. Star anise. Cloves. Paprika. Rosemary. Thyme. Poppy seeds. Parsley. Oregano. Curry powder. Fennel seeds. Caraway. Basil. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.